Hello everyone, myself Shruti. I am from Vizag. I completed my BSc graduation in Mathematical Science in St. Joseph College, which is in Vizag. So let's come to our today's class. So today's class is all about using object fit and object position property. So object fit is basically it is used to resize or reshape the image to fit in a container. Let me say that I give a container of 500 into 500. I mean height 500 and width 500. So the object actual height and width is some 200 into 200. But using this object fit property, I position or I fit this image 200 into 100 image in 500 into 500 container. So fit in that container we use object fit. So in default always it takes fill. So fill to the image will be stretched. In fill the image will be stretched or squeezed to fit in the given container. Okay. And but while coming to cover, the image fills the container by cutting the extra parts if needed. Like if the image is 1000 pixels but my container is 800 pixels, so it will take only 800 pixels inside the container and the extra it will cut while we use cover. So in contain, the image will fill the container by leaving the extra space. Let me say if container is 500 pixel and my image is 300 pixel, so it will leave the space, the extra space, the 200 pixel extra space it will leave and fit to the container. And none means the image will not resize, nothing, that actual image will display like that only. And scale down is which it will take the image either contain or none, which is it will first take which is the smaller one. If the contain is smaller it will take contain, if the none is smaller it will take none. So it will compare between contain and none and take which is smaller between them. So that is all about object fit. So let me come to what is object position property. So in object position, it is used, actually it is used together with object fit property. Both are used combinedly. So while using object position, it is to arrange how the image should be positioned using x and y coordinates. As we know, x and y coordinates are like this is horizontal and this is vertical. So this is this is horizontal and this is vertical. So x and y coordinates to resize or to position the image inside the container. Fit is used to fit is used to resize or fit in the container. But after fitting in the container I want to display like I say I want to, a human body is there, I want to display only face. So using object position I can give x, some values to x and some values to y to just display the face within the container. So that is the that is used as object position. So this is about today's class. So let me show you my project. See, this is a project and this is the actual picture. Okay. After that, I used object fit and object position to, you can see here, this Pavan Kalyan photo is getting smaller and smaller. Not just height is decreasing, it is decreasing as a person. You can see the inside image is decreasing, not the container. The container is same for all, but the image is decreasing. Here you can see the full body, here little his slippers is not visible, here little foot is not visible, here little more foot with little bit of legs is not visible. So like this, using object position, I arranged like this what I want to display. I want to display face or hands or legs, I can arrange that. I can position using these. And x and y coordinates takes percentage, numerical values and also the negative values. So this is about today's class and today's task. Thank you.